Every 26th of June marks the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. As originally instigated by the Resolution 42/112 of the United Nations General Assembly on the 7th of December 1987. The United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime uses the commemorative day to highlight the dangers of drug use and their illicit trade and provide educational materials to teachers and public officials all over the world to spread the message about the extreme cultural and economic harm the trade in drugs is still doing across the globe. The theme for this year is Better Knowledge for Better Care. This year's theme emphasizes the need to improve the understanding of the world drug problem and how in turn better knowledge will foster greater international cooperation for its impact on health, governance and security. On the UN Anti-Drug Day, the Oyo State Command of National Drug Law Enforcement Agency NDLEA, based on this year's theme, will be doing a campaign aimed at improving the understanding of the world drug problem. They would observe the day by addressing the many kinds of misinformation blocked by the drug problem. They explain that people, policy makers, and sometimes service providers work on the understanding that drug use disorder are not a multifactorial health issue, but a moral failure or a crime to be punished. The NDLEA believes that most do not know that drug use disorder are the results of a complex interplay of factors that are very much out of the control of the individuals, including factors in genetics, mental health, and environment. In the vein of observing the theme of this year's program, the NDLEA has capitalized and narrated the state drug reports for the year 2019 and 2020. The Oyo State NDLEA commander has this to say.
In year 2019, we had a total arrest of 248 persons with total seizures of 3,703.567 kilograms of various narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, mainly cannabis and cocaine. We had total convictions of 71 persons. We destroyed 2 farms, 0.284 hectares of cannabis farmland was destroyed at Igongon, Ibarakpa North, LGA, and about 40 hectares of cannabis farmland destroyed at Abatade in Oluyole local government area. We gave a brief counseling intervention to 141 persons who used drugs last year. And also we admitted 17 persons for residential rehabilitation last year, out of which 10 of them were discharged. For the period between January and June 2020, we have arrested 66 persons and recovered seizures of 1,101.395 kilograms of various narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, as well as 1 local pistol, 1 jackknife, and 1 cartridge. We have a total of 27 convictions. No farm destruction yet, but we are monitoring the farms. We have given 35 persons brief counseling intervention, and in addition to the 7 persons that were under residential rehabilitation last year, we admitted 3 more this year. Out of the 10, 5 of them have been discharged.
Nwaka Lindalin Amarashi reporting for CEO Africa.